Hi everyone, what's up? It's winters out here in Delhi and I'm super excited today to unbox two of my Kimirica boxes sent specially to take care of me during the winter season. Let's take a look inside. I'm so excited to open this. It's always a good feeling, to unbox such boxes. So nice of them, to send me a personal note. And they've written, here's a little something for you to brighten up your day. Kimirica offers a unique range of exotic bath and body collection with captivating fragrances. The products are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and are made with paraben-free preservatives. Thank you, to such brands for making such products, that are 100% vegan, are very good to the environment. Now let's take, a look inside. There's another note as well, they've sent me two collections. The first one is the Pharmacopoeia Argan Oil collection and the next one is the Citrus collection. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay. They have the Citrus collection in this box. So I have the Citrus shampoo, conditioner, this is their body lotion, and this is their body wash. Can't wait to use. Now let's move on to the next box. Stay with me. Here. It is their Argan Oil collection. This is their lotion, the conditioner, the shampoo, and the body wash. Look at the clean packaging, everything is clearly mentioned. What's inside the product, the pricing, everything is cleanly written, which is what, I always look for in the products. The range is very affordable. Everything is in the price range of between 500 to 700. The pump bottle makes it very easy to use and it looks nice, the whole range lying in your bathroom. It really gives that happy feeling to it. So do try out the range. I'm also writing a whole review of this range in my blog post. You can even check it out there as well. And I'm going back soon with another product, another range. Till then, see you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more of me and more of my recommendations. See you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.